What is going on, my dudes? I hope everyone's having a blast day today, man. Just sit back, relax. You guys better enjoy these clips. But yeah, what is going on? Guess what I brought in for you guys today, man? I decided, I broke down. I took some time. It took a year to evaluate myself, evaluate my sniping, evaluate my content and all. And I realized, I was like, why not make a video using the wannabe snipers? Now you may ask yourself, a wannabe sniper? What is a wannabe sniper? Well, let me tell you what a wannabe sniper is. Let me show you in fact. Let's go to sniper section. You see in the sniper rifles, these are snipers. Do you know that? Okay, so now we got what snipers are. Now let's head over to the section on the left. Marksmen. Wannabe snipers. We got the car, the MK2, and the SKS, the crossbow. They literally be calling marksman snipers, but why is a crossbow in here? Tell me. They would be in the sniper section, right? But yeah, guys, I broke down. I decided to use the SPR, the SPR 208. I'm not gonna use a car, and I'm not gonna use a carbine. That's definitely a shocker right there. But the SPR, I was like, why not? I was like, I said I'm gonna hold down my ego for a bit. I'm gonna test it out. I'm gonna prove that these are shotguns. That they're easy. They take no luck. They take no skill. They could take luck into you. But yeah, guys. So I broke down. I used it. This was my class setup. Let me pull it up real quick. So this is what I rocked. The ZLR. Just screenshot it. Just use it if you haven't already. And yeah, blue dot, and note that I do not use aim assist, and I use max sense and max ADS as shown. So yeah, guys, this is what I brought you guys for today, and let me just tell you, it is so easy to use these weapons once you get the hang of it. Oh, and also I had a triple collab with the AX. I don't mean to spoil, but I had a triple collab with the AX50. It was my first triple collab, and I was wild about it, man. Just so wild. But yeah, guys, all in all, hope you guys enjoy this video. Take it easy, sit back, relax, and like a wise person once said. But yeah, drop that support, hit the subscribe button, comment. We're the underground sniper now. We're slapped on 100, 1000, 150, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, guys, let's grow as a community. Let's get out there, man. Take it easy. Hope you're having a blessed day. get out of here, bro.
Bro, what is it called? Actually,
Hey,
using snipers, man.
I didn't mean to do that to you, man. My bad. I'm sorry. I apologize, bro.
No, but like, man, at least you use snipers, bro.
I
Good job,
use
yeah.
actual snipers, bro. I don't use no marksmans,
I
alright?
respect
I
that,
use
man. I
actual
respect that.
snipers.
I
I don't
respect
use
that.
no marksmans.
I got fucking dizzy, bro.
I was
Send the Addy, bro. I'll mail you a cookie.
I'm God, I got dizzy,
Hey,
bro.
hey,
Yeah, bro, my
hey.
YouTube is that. Check out my YouTube, man.